Hello friends, today we are going to study some Indian geography questions. First is river Damodar is a tributary of river Kosi, river Gandak, river Hooghly or river Satluj. So Damodar river in north eastern India, rising with its many tributaries, notably the Bokaro and Konar in the Chota Nagpur plateau of South Central बिहार स्टेट. तो रिवर दामोदर जो है वो हुगली रिवर की क्या है, ट्रिब्यूटरी. नेक्स्ट, वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे इज़ ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन 5 मार्च, 5 अप्रैल, 5 जून एंड 5 जुलाई. तो वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे कब होता है? 5 of June. World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June every year and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. Next is McMahon Line lies between which of the following countries? India and Pakistan, India and China, China and India. फोर्थ इज इंडिया एंड अफ़गानिस्तान. तो मैकमोहन लाइन जो है वो है इंडिया और चाइना के बीच. इट इज़ करंटली द इफेक्टिव बाउंड्री बिटवीन चाइना एंड इंडिया. द लाइन इज नेम्ड आफ्टर हेनरी मैकमोहन, फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया एंड द चीफ नेगोशिएटर ऑफ द कन्वेंशन एट शिमला. इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, इनके बीच कौन सी रेखा है? रेड क्लिफ रेखा. एंड इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, अफ़गानिस्तान, इंडिया और अफ़गानिस्तान के बीच कौन सी रेखा है? डूरंड रेखा. नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया इज़ द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑक्यूपाइज 7% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एरिया, 5% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एरिया, 4% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एरिया और 2.4% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एरिया. तो इंडिया जो है वो 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट ऑक्यूपाइज 2.4% ऑफ वर्ल्ड एरिया. इंडिया इज़ द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड फॉलोइंग रशिया, कनाडा, USA, चाइना, ब्राज़ील एंड Australia. In that order, it occupies 2.4% of the world's total land. Next question is lignite is a type of iron, steel, coal और gold. तो lignite किसका टाइप है? कोल का. lignite often referred to as brown coal. क्या बोला जाता है lignite को? brown coal. It has a carbon content around 60 to 70%. Next, cotton in India grows best on sandy soil, red soil, laterite soil या फिर black soil. तो cotton in India grows best on black soil. Black soils are poor in nitrogen, phosphorus and organic matter. It is most suitable for the growth of cotton. Cotton, कपास ब्लैक सॉइल पे सबसे ज़्यादा उगाया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज द हिमालयाज वर अपलिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द वोल्केनो प्लेट्यू, ग्रासलैंड, टेथिस, जियोसिंक्लाइन्स. The Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and the subsidence of the northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of a large basin. The Himalayas were uplifted from the Tethys geosynclines. Next is Sundarban was declared a World Heritage Site because of its river delta, mangrove forests, and biodiversity nearest to Bay of Bengal. None of the above. Right answer is mangrove forests and biodiversity. Sundarban mangrove forest, one of the largest such forests in the world, lies on the delta of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers on the Bay of Bengal. It is adjacent to the border of India's Sundarbans World Heritage Site, inscribed in 1987. Next, the greenhouse effect gases trap only the heat of all heat, UV rays, solar radiation, or thermal radiation. The greenhouse effect gases trap only the heat of solar radiation. Next is the major peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dholagiri, Manalsu, Chuyu, Nanga Parbat, and Annapurna all are situated in the Western Ghats, Shivalik Range, the Eastern Ghats, the Greater Himalayas. The major peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dholagiri, Manalsu, Chuyu, Nanga Parbat, and Annapurna all are situated in the Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri. Next is the highest peak of the Karakoram range is Kanchenjunga, Mount K2, or also known as Godwin Austen, Annayamudi or Dholagiri. K2 also known as Mount Godwin Austen or Chogori at 8,611 meters above sea. K2 is the highest point of the Karakoram range. Next question is, the most important coal field in India is Jharia coalfield, Raniganj coalfield, Cobra coalfield, or Singrauli coalfield. So, right answer is Jharia coalfield is a large coalfield located in the east of India in Jharia, Jharkhand. Jharia represents the largest coal reserves in India, having estimated reserves of 19.4 billion tons of coking coal. Next, which planet is called watery planet? Venus, Mars, Earth, or Mercury? Right answer is Earth. Earth is also known as watery planet. If you look down at our planet from outer space, most of what you see is water. 71% of the planet's surface is covered by ocean, and it is because of this that the earth is sometimes called the water planet. Next, the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam project is located on. नागार्जुन सागर प्रोजेक्ट किस पे लोकेटेड है? महानदी, कृष्णा रिवर, कावेरी और गोदावरी. सो इट इज लोकेटेड ऑन कृष्णा रिवर. नागार्जुन सागर डैम was built across the Krishna river at Nagarjuna Sagar, where the river forms the boundary between Nalgonda district in Telangana and Guntur district in Andhra Pradesh states in India. The construction duration of the dam was between the years of 1955 and 1967. Next is CGWB stands for Central Ground Water Board, Central Ground Water and Irrigation Board, Central Ground Welfare Board, or none of these. So, right answer is Central Ground Water Board. CGWB stands for Central Ground Water Board. Was established in 1970 by renaming the Exploratory Tube Wells Organization under the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. It is merged with the groundwater wing of the Geological Survey of India during 1972. Next is the Western Ghats are also known as the Sahyadris, Shivalik Range, Greater Mountain Range or Satpura Range. Right answer is the Sahyadris. The range is known as Sahyadri in Maharashtra and Karnataka. The Western Ghats meets the Eastern Ghat at Nilgiris in northwestern Tamil Nadu. So, Western Ghats are also known as the Sahyadris. Next, Vembanad Lake is located in Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh or Kerala. So, Vembanad Lake is located in Kerala. And Vembanad is the longest lake in India and the largest lake in the state of Kerala. Longest in India and largest in Kerala. Next, the Beas project consisting of Beas Satluj link and Pong Dam at Beas is the joint venture of Punjab, Gujarat and Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan or Gujarat, Haryana and Rajasthan. So right answer is Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. The Beas project consisting of Beas Satluj link and Pong Dam at Beas is the joint venture of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. So ये थे इंडियन ज्योग्राफी के कुछ important questions. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe this channel.